Welcome to Indonesia, have a look around. We have various communities with a lot of traditions. We have songs, we have dances, we have heavenly food, and also Indomie that well international. Welcome to Indonesia, take a look and see. So many travel destinations that you can pick. A beach, a mountain, we got all you want. And don't forget Bali is a part of Indonesia.
Welcome to the Philippines, have a look around. I'm here to tell you how our Filipino history's found. On 1521 of March 16th, we were discovered by an explorer Portuguese. Welcome to the Philippines, take a look and see. Now here's some random facts for you to learn our history. From dialect, silence,